outstanding ecological features to launch the Hidden Hero competition for WWF Earth Hour.
I'm Sarah. I'm Courtney. And we are from Greenhill Primary School. At Greenhill we support the WWF Earth Hour. We also believe that we need to turn away from the use of fossil fuels and start using clean, green, renewable energy source. Mae Ysgol Gynradd Greenhill yn cefnogi awdde'r WWF.
So if you know an eco champion, click on the link below to nominate them.
Who's your hidden hero?